Testing for gases, hydrogen, by KayScience.com. So hydrogen gas is identified using the squeaky pop test. So to do this, you need a test tube full of hydrogen gas, which is represented here by the hydrogen molecules. You then take a lighted splint, which is a thin piece of wood set on fire, and place it inside the test tube, which will cause the lighted splint to ignite. And this causes a squeaky pop to be heard. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So what actually happens is the heat from the lighted splint causes the hydrogen to react with oxygen to form water. This chemical reaction causes a mini explosion to take place inside the test tube. This is why we hear a squeaky pop. And if there is enough hydrogen gas, a flame can sometimes be seen. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.